all of my renovations that I've done with Jim, I've been extremely happy. And on top of that, he's a really nice guy. I'm grateful for his character. His quality is extremely high. His attention to detail is exceptional. He works efficiently and he will complete the job when he said he was going to. Lastly, his cost is reasonable. They say you can't have all three, but he really is, high quality, quick turnaround, and good prices. What Jim does is top shelf, and he's a far and above what I've experienced before in a renovator, and I couldn't be happier.